Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. All right. So I'll just start with this little incident jo abhi hua. We were asked to go for coffee, and because Habib University, mashallah, is a great big campus, so I meandered my way and entered the Comic-Con side. And I was just thinking, okay, maybe this is the part where the experience design session is really happening, where all the kids were and they were really engaged into the verses agar hum yahan dekhein. Acha. So starting up, thoda sa is tarah hai कि all the sessions that I attended so far, those were quite nice. But what I have to talk about is slightly different in terms of per se the field. Most of us here are belonging to the fields of graphic design, communication design, technological side. I belong to the interior design side of the industry. So a little bit about what this presentation is going to be like. So ये तो यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, but चलें इसको इस तरह imagine कर सकते हैं start करने के लिए कि if you are entering inside a room that tells you a story, is something that I would do. Or if you are imagine part of a movie जहाँ पर आप characters के साथ interact कर सकते हैं, या फिर you are part of a space जो कि खुद एक adventure है, like you enter inside a retail store and there's something happening around that's immersive and that is engaging all your senses. That's the kind of work that I'm working towards, and it's called experience design in the interior capacity. Okay. How it all started? It started from my thesis project, and my thesis project was so this was my thesis ki site. बिल्कुल छोटा, हम उसको shorter रखेंगे because it's also timed. So when I looked at this site, and being an interior design student, I had to propose a plan for it. लेकिन अगर इस site को हम design करते हैं, तो there were my teachers basically told me that Noor, this is not just per se an interior design project. इसमें आपको landscape भी करना है, architecture भी करना है, इसका सारी चीज़ें करनी होंगी, and this cannot be one thesis project. But then to me, because this site held some value, और वो ये reason था कि I'm a scuba diver by choice, let's say. So every time I would go for a camping trip or a diving trip, ये जगह मुझे उसी तरह मैंने explore की थी. And this is near Mubarak village for anyone who wants to build context to it. And this is a site जहाँ fishermen रहते थे. अब this is an abandoned town. I felt historic भी बहुत अच्छी value है, बहुत अच्छा experience बन सकता है. And I was looking at an immersive resort for scuba diving, for people who would like to come in for scuba diving in Pakistan. This was the kind of the program that was coming in about, that I wanted to do a residential site, I wanted to do a dive center, और इस तरह का एक program था. And इस चीज़ को then I took it up because the site was also close to me, मुझे करना भी था, and I would say worked in day in and night out all the time. And result ये निकला कि thesis में I got a distinction and it went through. So यहाँ से I felt कि experience design is something that's extremely crucial. It's not just कि आप सिर्फ कहें कि okay architecture है या interior है, and if it's devoid of experience, then it's not going to work together. Things need to fall in place in order for it to work out. And moreover, while designing, I realized that scent design is also a part of it. So I planted some trees along those areas, and then और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें साथ साथ होती गई जिनके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. Okay. So then I would like to introduce myself. My name is Noor Sabah Adamji. Currently, I am heading the department at AA Joyland. I work as an experienced design consultant, and I would say my journey so far has been revolving around creativity, technology, and more so about human emotion. Because human emotion, if you understand that, and if you are able to bring it into a space, that is what experience design for an interior space would be like. ठीक है. Just a brief timeline. शुरू में कुछ समझ नहीं आता था कि where am I heading exactly, but I felt that anything that resonated with my heart, I went towards that. And now, if I look back, I think there is something which is a common connect, which is experience design. Start मैंने किया with designing for camera. हम TV के लिए I was designing sets. It was a completely different experience. Uske baad, I entered into the retail market where I started designing visual merchandising and store design experiences for one of our market leaders, which is Khadi, and a couple of other brands as well. So यहाँ पर इस वक्त Khadi की एक image लगी हुई है of the Pindi store. And now I'm working with the entertainment industry, curating different experiences for all age audiences, and we are now working, mashallah, internationally and locally both. The clicker has to go here, right? Okay, so a little bit about set design. Set design mein, this is one of my favorite projects that I worked for during my time at Hum. And this was their Hum Style Awards ka set. The concept was of metamorphosis. The brief was that they wanted to change the complete look and feel of the set between its segments. So the idea was to design in terms of this, design in terms of the screens. So, you know, like as you guys can see, पहले तो हमने इसकी एक form पर work किया, how the, you know, how the set is going to be like. But then after that, the major work that happened was in terms of the digital environments. Here. This was basically the time when I started questioning what is user experience design, क्योंकि कुछ हद तक तो thesis में समझ लिया था. But when I came here, it changed completely because here the user was the camera and it was not a human person. And hence, all our experiences were designed keeping camera in mind. जो भी चीज़ हम set कर रहे होते थे, उसमें you always had to make sure that there are camera angles in consideration, there, you know, because बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो screen पर नज़र आ रही होती हैं, असल में for all those people who are aware with the backstage environments, is completely different. So that is how it was quite interesting. And as you guys can see, there are different frames, एक ही set के अंदर different environments हो गए, and हमने दो starkly अलग-अलग environments रखे. One was gold, one was magenta, and like उसकी एक different. So that was basically coming in from the client brief as well. Okay. So like I said, user experience is a lot to do with your user. You need to identify user कौन है. इस case में camera था. फिर उसके बाद आगे आप experiences curate करते हैं. A little bit now about the retail side. So after I felt that I have spent enough time with the camera industry, and since, you know, as an artist, you always want to try new things and, you know, think out of the box. Yeah, anything that sort of comes in your way, which sounds exciting, you go that side. So this was the time when Khadi gave in an offer to join in as their store design team, and this was the time where they wanted to expand. They were looking at opening up 25 to 30 new outlets at that time, and उसके साथ जो मेरा role था वो ये था कि how do you curate a store experience that sort of adds to sale. So यहाँ पर user की एक और तरह की brief आना शुरू हुई, and this started another side of the overall journey. So like I said, design is a journey of discovery. This was the time when I was discovering what all can be done. Okay, सही है. So जो चीज़ खाड़ी पर जाने के बाद मैंने सीखी with all the years, so we worked on 25 stores जो हमें खोलने थे. All of those opened up. This is one of their store. This was designed architecturally by Usman Mughni, and this is located in Pindi. Engaging the five senses became really important in the context of user experience design यहाँ पर. So हम like every time we would be thinking about कि इस store का experience कैसे होगा, हम ये सोचते थे कि what are your sight cues, what are your textural cues, what are your sound cues, what are your scent cues. So जिस तरह मैंने mention किया पहले, smell becomes really important. Placement and positioning, of course, is very important. And बाकी सारे senses को भी इसी तरह incorporate करना बहुत ज़रूरी है while you are designing these spaces. This image is not loading. Okay, and which brings me to this point कि personally, while designing, I feel that जिस भी जगह को अगर मैं डिज़ाइन करती हूँ उसके पास एक कहानी है बताने के लिए और हमें वो सुनानी है. So अगर retail की context में बात करूँ तो वो कहानी client की side से ठीक है, they want to sell the product, but from customer side, they do not want you to be too pushy. The space has to be such that you walk into it, you enjoy the experience, and then when you come out of it, you feel relaxed, or say, you can call that as retail therapy, जिसको हम कह रहे होते हैं, राइट? अगर हम पहले वक्तों में अपना शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस देखें तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बाज़ार्स का कॉन्सेप्ट था, जहाँ लोग आपको बुला रहे होते थे, जी आ जाएं, आप आ जाएं हमारे दुकान में. बट नाउ इट हैज़ चेंज. नाउ शॉप फ्रंट्स आर डन अ सर्टन वे. नाउ थिंग्स आर डन इन अ वे के, I'll give you an example from Khadi only. When we rebranded the space, तो एक पॉलिसी ये सामने आई विद रिसर्च ओनली, दैट इफ़ यू हैव ओपनर शॉप फ्रंट्स, अगर आपका शॉप फ्रंट 80% ओपन है, चांसेस ऑफ योर कस्टमर वॉकिंग इन आर मच हायर. लाइकवाइज अगर आपने अपने हॉट स्पॉट्स वहाँ लगाए हुए, इंस्टेड ऑफ पुटिंग योर प्रोडक्ट आउट देयर कि ये जोड़ा मैं बेच रहा हूँ, इफ़ यू पुट अप say a mannequin stand, that's more sculptural, that's more inviting, and users are more compelled to walk into your store. So you are not forcing them in, you are telling them a story and you are pulling them in through that visually. Then came my favorite part, which is entertainment, and I feel कि उस पर हम थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा बात करेंगे because मुझे ऐसा लगा कि उसकी relevance यहाँ पर ज़्यादा होगी. So currently जिस brand के लिए मैं काम कर रही हूँ, it's called Joyland, and these are the 5 categories that we have over there. Now this is an entertainment company, और 5 separate concepts के लिए design करने का मतलब है that you have to make sure that you are aware with all target audiences, which are separate in all cases. In some case it's the entire family, in some case it's kids, in some case it's young adults. So it's quite a fun process where you get to first learn about your audience. You of course need to know your product as well, and you need to make sure कि एक experience भी curate और create हो रहा हो. So, pehla concept, this inshallah is launching really soon in UAE, and this is the first time I'm talking about it on a forum. So it's called Flipped. It's an indoor trampoline park. And so, internationally the brand was going in, the new trampoline park banana hai, and there's only so much that you can do in terms of your layout and design. So, Flipped ka naam pehle humne coin kiya. The name in itself had to be such that it denotes what's going to happen within the space. So यहाँ से इसका experience design start हुआ from the name only. उसके बाद जो उसकी grid, the layouting of the space is done in a way where there are flips of grids happening. So diagonal से आप vertical grid पर गए, उसके बाद फिर diagonal पर गए. So that is about the placement. उसके बाद we came up with another character concept here, because पूरे एक्सपीरियंस को जब हमें क्यूरेट करना है, सो वी नीड टू सी कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टेक होम मैसेजेस और नोट्स आर योर ऑडियंस टेकिंग आउट ऑफ इट. सो देयर केम बोइंग. दिस इज आवर कैरेक्टर, मैस्कॉट कैरेक्टर फॉर फ्लिप्ड. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट सिंस वाज फॉर यंग अडल्ट्स. तो हमने जो स्लिंकीज़ हम अपने बचपन में खेलते थे, वहाँ से इसके लेग्स डिराइव किए हैं. बाकी द कैरेक्टर इज़ वेरी रिलेटेबल. अगेन क्योंकि ऑडियंस यहाँ पे थोड़ी डाइवर्स थी, दे वर लुकिंग एट an age audience of say 5 to 21 years of age group, which meant कि कुछ इस तरह का character होना चाहिए that's relatable as well. And way after this character was done, I also saw something similar on that Vegas Globe projected, and we were also happy that okay, maybe what we are doing is somehow relatable to the audiences that we are targeting. You guys can see some visual renders of the space as well. जो उसका playscape है, उसके अंदर एक soft play area भी है. So on the left hand side you can see that. We are also working on games for this concept. So like I said, an experience that's not just retained to your interior spaces but also goes out with you. And then it's a trampoline park. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ about the character, के narrative becomes really primal जब आप एक इंटीरियर स्पेस डिज़ाइन कर रहे होते हैं. सो दिस कैरेक्टर डायमेंशन हॉप्स, एंड हेंस ही हैज़ दैट पोटेंशियल कि हम उससे फिर आगे किसी भी जगह पर ले जा सकते हैं. सो जस्ट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ द आइडिया इज़ जस्ट टू शेयर के यू शुड ऑलवेज लीव रूम टू फर्दर डेवलप योर कैरेक्टर्स or say take them across. Okay. One of the key learnings of this exercise was that it has to be interdisciplinary. It cannot be that I say that, okay, I'm an interior designer, I will do everything. No. My role here is to create strategy. And then in my team, I have, which I will be introducing you guys to as well, I have communication designers, architects, interior designers, textile designers, fashion designers. So pretty much all the forms of design fields are working together. And I feel without that is just not possible. So linking it back to my thesis where I felt कि इन सारी चीज़ों के करीब आए बगैर आपकी जगह successful बन नहीं सकती. Another such concept that you guys might have seen is Giggle Town. It has recently launched in Ocean Mall basement. Again, इसके दो characters जो हमने introduce किए, one was Kiki and the other one is Oscar. So अगर मैं इस character की बात करूँ, so कीकी का जो नाम रखा गया है, again वो target audience को समझते हुए कि ये concept है छोटे बच्चों का, बिल्कुल like 2-year-olds to 5-year-olds are the target audience for this kind of a concept. And जो बहुत सारे और लोगों ने भी अपने sessions में बात कही that it's super important to understand your target audience. So this was like, you know, down to the basic के character का नाम क्या होगा, उसके बाल किस तरह के होंगे. This space essentially is Kiki's imagination, जहाँ पर we are fusing science experiments with a role play model for kids. So here they get to be firefighters, they get to be doctors, engineers, you name it, and you know all of that is available. And hence there is a major role of interaction design here as well, where you are designing the activities. The character, of course, is also there. Layout, agar yahan par, if there are any architects in the crowd, they'd be able to understand this visual on the left, which essentially was done over a color wheel. Challenges and solutions. So there were lots and lots of challenges that came in and about. इस तरह के projects को बनाने के लिए, you know, once you are working, there are lots of things that don't work. Specifically, if you are working just in Pakistan, where your production is happening here, where your construction is happening here, ideation is also. So take-home message that every obstacle is to be taken as an opportunity if you are looking at it from a customer design or user design experience point of view. Another such concept was Speaker Bear, where a toddler area was designed, keeping in mind a pop-up storybook. So narrative se tie karna hai, user ko samajhna hai, aapne design is always a response or a solution to a problem. So, like I said. All right, we are just nearing our conclusion. This is one quote that always kept me in the right direction, and this really helped me with all my clients as well, where mostly your clients come up to you and say कि जी सबके लिए बनाना है. It has to be for everyone. And interiors के cases में it's still very hard to sort of convince people that, you know, one size cannot fit all. You have to make sure that there is some kind of input coming in from your target audiences, otherwise it's not relevant. These are some important guidelines जो so far मैंने अपनी journey में सीखी, and I felt that I should share it with you guys as well. Top being understand your user. Second being collaborate. Keep learning, because you know there should be no end to learning, and there should be no point in your life where you think that, you know, I know it all. I think कि वो आपकी destruction होगी if you start thinking like that. Then prioritize user-centric design. Iterate and redefine. The last point is the most important point. You do not need to feel bad if a design doesn't work out in the first go, especially if you are dealing with realms like these. Things that you shouldn't be doing, assume that you know your user. That's one mistake that we end up making सबसे पहले कि, you know, if this is this kind of a persona, ये ऐसा ही होगा. It's always good to get your research across. Neglect accessibility, that's my second point. Your space, your design, if you want people to experience it, they have to, it has to be accessible. Rush to solutions. Timelines lead us to rush to solutions, and that's something that should not be the ideal most course of action. And strategizing and design resolution is the time जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा आपको वक्त spend करना चाहिए to resolve your design. Then sacrificing functionality for aesthetics. Aesthetics, यहाँ पर, you know, most people think that interior designers are more so like decorators and आप बस खूबसूरत बना देते हैं. No, it cannot go that way if it is design. Decoration, yes, decoration is a separate field of work. And then ignoring feedback. All right, so just concluding it, the key takeaway for this session would be that innovation, collaboration, and commitment to user experience is just something that's so central This is my team. As you guys can see, there's like a mix of everyone there. We have architects, communication designers, interior designers, and that's about it. Thank you.